Hey, how's it going today? So we're going to do some preventive maintenance on the 2015 Toyota Prius. We just took it in for service and we are going to change out the cabin air filter and the engine air filter. The dealership said that one of these was like 41 and the other one was like 71. And I was like, what? I just buy them both for like 40 bucks and change them myself. So that's what we're going to do today. Also, okay, I wanted to show you guys. Oh, minus that. So it was just at the dealership for an oil change, and we've got, I think, 100,000 mile warranty for oil changes, and it's just regular service. But look at it. So it was in for an oil change. Regardless, it's dirty. But look, like they could have like swept those out, vacuumed them out. I mean, just a loose shit there. So I'm gonna grab the vacuum that out, and then just like wipe everything off and clean it up and make it look good. I mean, it's just a greasy mess, and then we can actually pop, pop, and do something else with that. But yeah, check it out. Air filter, done right there. So we can actually do that one right away. And it doesn't look too bad. So this is a Fram CA1074-1. A lot nicer. It's got this grate here. Perfect. Okay, cool. So that one, we're just going to put the clips back in, but I want to take a look at this. Check out this air filter. I mean, it's really not too crazy dirty. I mean, I don't think you'd really have to change it out. I mean, it's slightly dirty, but nothing too crazy. Not $40 or $70. I think it was 41. They want to charge like 71 for the cabin air. We're going to do the cabin air filter, but first, after we button this up, we're going to do a quick vacuum to make sure everything's nice and clean and wipe it down. So this is all cleaned up. We're going to move inside and see if the cabin filter's under the glove box. Alright, cool. So now we're sitting passenger. We open up the glove box. We're going to pop the tabs back, and then we're going to drop this. And then there's another little door inside that we use to open up to change out the filter. Okay, so because of the, you have a little shock on the right side, and then you're going to go look inside, and then see that door where it says up, L? right behind there, there's the cabin filter. So we're gonna sneak our hands in there. Right here. Okay. So push it open the little door, then it's oriented, it says up, and yeah, this guy's pretty dirty. Alright, we're back. So we have the new filter. Let's take it out. And on some of them, they say and don't say, but up, that's where you want to orientate it. There's the old one, up is up. So, back inside it goes. See that? Right back there. Then this left side clips, hooks in there, and it clips in on the right side. And that's it. Then you just press this back up and snap it into place. Alright, cool. We're all done with changing out the air filter and the cabin air filter. You could save yourself a ton of money by doing it yourself, looking up your owner's manual and or looking online to find the right places. Alrighty, thank you for coming along. If you're stopping by for the first time, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.